This is our electrical class again. One of our student, Pierre, brought in a starter from his aircraft, 150L Cessna. The starter is not working on the aircraft, so we want to bench check it to see what is wrong, why it's not working. 12-volt battery, which has been charged. We use our hydrometer to check the electrolyte. Everything looks good so far, so we are going to bench check it to see if it's going to spin here in the class. So Pierre, hello.
Hello, I've hooked up the positive lead jumper here, and after Bernard hooks up the leads to the battery,
Always
I'll
positive first.
connect it to this.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
You're
Hook up
negative.
here. Okay, here goes. Now we should see some motion right here. And we have no motion.
No motion.
It's running.
But we hear
can
some
measure the
sound.
current through it.
Yeah, there's some sound. Do it again, let's see, please. There's some sound. We have some spark, but no motion. No
Yeah,
motion.
You can hear it.
But
going through
yeah,
the battery.
there's a sound, but no motion. So something is definitely wrong with our starter. So the next step, we're going to open the starter to see what is wrong inside. So we've done our bench check and we found the starter did not spin. So Pierre here is going to help us to open up the starter. And we have screwdrivers and wrenches to use in doing this. And also we have a manual to guide us, but nevertheless we'll be taking pictures, at every step.
That's you.
Every step we'll take pictures.
So we got orientation. Take a picture of this orientation.
Okay, so we have the top there.
Can you get this?
So we're pulling it out now.
Doesn't want to go. It's reaching a limit.
So taking the top out.
So now we can look at what the commutator faces look like.
Let's look at it from the camera direction. Okay. It's a little one. You see?
And they can turn it.
It's a little one. So. It's coming out the cover with the brushes inside.
The brush cover. And you can see the
You can see the
commutator's got, I'd say, a good 1/16 of an inch of wear down from its very edge.
Yeah, the commutator is one.
Quite a bit. Right down to the insulation strips,
Yeah.
which I think the book said you definitely want to not do.
Okay. Okay, let's continue.
Okay.
Okay, now we've taken up the brushes. You could see your brushes here. Every place is all rusted and greasy. Our brushes are worn. And then your rotor. The commutator is one beyond limit. But the rotor is good. No wonder there was no spinning when we attach electric current to it.